Hello student, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 9th biology chapter 2nd fundamental unit apply part 2nd. This is the part 2nd and chapter 2nd. We discuss about the cell and their history in previous video. In this video we discuss about the classification of cell. We know about the cell classified into two parts. First is the prokaryotic cell and second is the eukaryotic cell. In this video we discuss about the eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. So let us start now. Cell divided into two parts. First is the prokaryotic cell and second is the eukaryotic cell. You can see here the size of cell is generally 1 to 10 mm. Means prokaryotic cell generally in 1 to 10 millimeter. Means prokaryotic जो सेल होती है वो 1 से लेकर 10 mm तक लेंथ तक की होती है. And nucleus is absent. In this cell न्यूक्लियस इन absent. इस सेल में न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता. इस सेल में न्यूक्लियस नहीं होता. इट कंटेन्स सिंगल क्रोमोसोम्स एंड जो क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, केवल सिंगल क्रोमोसोम्स ही होता है इसमें. तो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में सिंगल क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, इनमें न्यूक्लियस absent होता है एंड साइज ऑफ सेल जनरली 1 to 10 mm का होता है. एंड फोर्थ nucleolus is absent. Nucleolus also absent in this cell and membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Means organelles are not present in this cell. Organelles like as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and plastid, etc. These are the organelles. So organelles is absent in this cell. And you can see here, this is the structure of prokaryotic cell. This is the outer membrane. This membrane is the outer membrane, and this is the cell wall. Cell wall also occur in prokaryotic cell. So this is the cell wall and this is the capsule. This head covered by a capsule. So this is the capsule and plasma membrane. This middle parts of this portion is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane, and we know about this in this prokaryotic cell nucleus is absent. So nucleus like structure occur which is called the nucleotides region, but not present the nucleus but present the nucleotides region. And also occur in prokaryotic cell ribosomes. And this is the phylus. This small structure which is hair like structure is the phylus. And flagellum, this is the large inside the phylus. These are situated in the prokaryotic cells. This is the flagellum. So this is the prokaryotic cell. Some organs like as blue green algae bacteria have prokaryotic type cell. And we discuss about the eukaryotic cell. About the eukaryotic cell, size of this cell is generally 5 to 100 mm. Size of cell is generally 5 to 100 mm. And nucleus is present. In this cell, nucleus is present. This is the nucleus. It contains more than one chromosomes. Means they have more than chromosomes, not only single chromosomes. In this prokaryotic cell only single chromosomes present, but in case of the eukaryotic cell, the more than one chromosomes, and in this cell nucleus is present. Nucleolus is present, and membrane bound cell organelles and present means all cell organ present in the eukaryotic cell. This is the diagram of eukaryotic cell. You can see their parts. This all part is the organelles like as mitochondria, Golgi cord and endoplasmic reticulum. These are the organelles of cell. You can see here, this is the structure of eukaryotic cell. This is the microtubules. This structure is the microtubules, and this is the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. You can see here, this is the mitochondria. We discuss in next video about all parts. In this video we discuss about only short centriole. These are the centriole, and these are the vessels, and this is the cytoplasm, and this is the endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. With attached the ribosome. These are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. But in case of not attached ribosome, these are the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You can see this is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane, and this dust-like structure is the ribosome. We know also about the eukaryotic cell. There are nucleus. The nucleus is present. So this is the nucleus, and this is the lysosome, and this structure is the Golgi aperture. So these are the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, and their difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell also. So यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल एंड यूकैरियोटिक सेल जो होते हैं, इनके डायग्राम आप देख सकते हैं. ये प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल के डायग्राम है और ये यूकैरियोटिक सेल के डायग्राम है. यूकैरियोटिक सेल जो होते हैं सभी ऑर्गेनिज्म में होते हैं, जैसे प्लांट एंड एनिमल. किसको छोड़कर? ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी एंड बैक्टीरिया को छोड़कर सारे जो सेल होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? यूकैरियोटिक सेल होते हैं. बट ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी एंड बैक्टीरिया में किस टाइप के सेल होते हैं? प्रोकैरियोटिक टाइप के सेल होते हैं. ओके, एंड अगेन फर्दर डिवाइड द यूकैरियोटिक सेल इन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. हम जो है यूकैरियोटिक सेल को यूकैरियोटिक सेल divide into eukaryotic cell, further divide into two types cell, plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell occur in plant and animal cell occur in animal. All plant have plant cell and all animal have animal cell. So cell classified into two parts, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Further eukaryotic cell classified into two parts, plant cell and animal cell. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this button. Okay.